Hello, many of you may know already that I lost my beloved English Bulldog Brutus about 1.5 years, 2 years ago. And it was a tough blow for my family, as we loved him. We never got any puppies from him, so we didn't really have much to keep from him but the memories. But today I'm going to try to drive all the way to North Dallas to meet a new pup and try to introduce him to my family and surprise them. They should be ecstatic. Let's hope all is lined up and all is well, and hope for the best. So come along for the journey. Let's see how this goes. Oh, we finally made it here. It's been a long route. Brought the old vet out. Let's go meet this puppy. Hey, you. Put it in circles. We're not gonna make any good video with you tromping around like that. Hey. Okay, because I came by myself and I'm surprising the family, I'm having to make the decision by myself to surprise the family, and I had a very hard time. This little guy is who I fell in love with, who I came for. But this little guy really reminds me of Brutus. He's a little fighter and a biter. Wasn't the biggest one of the pack, but he was the little boss. But I think I'm gonna do something different this time. And even though Lobo reminds me of Chubbs, Brutus's brother, I think I'm gonna go with Lobo but raise him just like I raised Brutus. And we'll see what happens when I get home and the family falls in love and they go nuts. But I think we're going with little Lobo over there. I think that's what we're doing. That guy right there. Look at this dude. No, buddy. Look at him. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. You're gonna be a Russ. You're gonna be a Russ. Oh. All right. Just picked up Lobo right here from the new extended family, my buddy CJ right here. Cause you know how it is in the Bulldog family, man. I am super excited. The family is gonna cry. Look at this handsome dude. I can't wait to get home and show you guys. Of course, we're gonna love him forever. We're gonna love him forever. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Congratulations on your new puppy.
Thank you. And here's the new Russ on his way home. Just forever home. He's a little nervous, that's okay. They're gonna love you, buddy. Look at what baby boy's been sitting the entire time. It's being a big old daddy's boy. We're on our way to the house. Baby boy is already loving it. He's enjoying his old car ride in a bit. Given name was Lobo, but I kind of like the name Logan. I had a dog Logan when I was a kid, and his demeanor kind of reminds me a lot of Logan, so we might be going with Logan, and he seems to like the name. We made it to the area a little early. My daughter doesn't get out of school until about an hour from now, so what we might do is go hide out at PetSmart until she gets out of school so we can surprise them all at the same time. Since we've got some time to kill before my daughter gets home, I figured we might just come and get a few little things like puppy pads and such. But this is gonna be pretty awesome. Think, buddy. Hey. Hey, Logan. You like being a Russ? You like being a Russ? I think he likes being a Russ. So little baby Logan got his first little bath here. Had to come home clean.
Oh my gosh.
Is this ours?
Yes, it is.
What are we gonna name it?
Oh, hello.
So far, I think his name is Logan.
Oh,
That's a good name.
hello, handsome.
It's a good name, Logan.
Oh,
He's like, oh, she's so cute.
oh, look at you.
You're a big boy. Oh my gosh. You got a new puppy. Thanks, Daddy.
You excited?
Oh my gosh, you got him? I don't know. Okay.
You gotta hold him like a little baby because
I don't know.
he's a little young fella.
I'll kill him.
There.
Oh.
He just got a bath and everything.
He's so cute.
How was he acting when he got his bath?
He behaved. He did pretty good.
Unlike Brutus.
We're talking about.
That's the company. But he's no longer company because now,
Keep it right.
that's right.
Hashtag got a new puppy.
For the box.
What's good?
You like mommy, Logan?
Oh.
You like your new mommy?